How to set standby turn display off to automatically after 20 seconds or never on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we then scroll down, and in here, tap on Standby. Next, tap on Display. Then in here, it said that turn display off automatically or after 20 seconds or never. So you can choose after 20 seconds or never, so always stay on, or automatically. In here, when set to automatically, the display will intelligently turn off when iPhone is not in use and the room is dark. And that's it. So you can choose one of the available options and then tap on the back key to go back to the previous standby settings page, or you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.